What's up, everybody? We are doing the two boxers. Let's see who gets. Patriots. Green Bay. It's the Ken. Here we go. Let's pop this bad boy. We have Cooper Kupp out of 60. We have Joe Burrow out of 75. Cincinnati, we got Ocho Cinco, Chad Johnson out of 25. And for free, we have a James White. Patriots, 2 of 60. Ooh, nice Trevor Lawrence. Jaguars out of 30. Jags, Duncan. That's definitely nice. Kelly Mond, Minnesota is at 99. Mesmerizing, Phillip Rivers, Chargers, Calvin, out of 60. Hunter Long, Miami, Walaka, that's me out of 8. Yep, 5 of 8. 5 of 8. Hunter Long. We have DK Metcalf out of 149. We have Terrence Marshall out of 99. Derrick Henry, Sunday Spectacle out of 49. We have Champion Signatures, Roger Craig, San Francisco. Mike Sutherland, 51 of 60. Devontae Adams out of 25. Nice Travis Etienne out of 10. 2 die cut Jaguars. We have building blocks, Jamar Chase out of 60. Beautiful. Kyle Trask, Tampa. Kim, 71 of 75. Beautiful looking. Those are nice, such nice looking cards. Beautiful. RPA right there. So out of 75, those colors just pop. I love those things. Darren Waller out of 149 Raiders. Joe Montana retrospect out of 149. Championship gear, Mike Allstat, Tampa Bay. 5 of 5, Tampa. Hey, Kuko, that's who you want. Mr. Micah Parsons, MVP, pro. Defensive MVP out of 60. That's some value right there. We got Will Fuller out of 10 for Miami, and we have Travis Etienne out of 99. Brownies, Nicky Chubb out of 99. And we have Elijah Moore, rookie patch autographs, hyper for the Jets. Jordan. Jets. Pat Freiermuth, Steelers out of 5. And De'Ami Brown out of 75. We got Juju, Sunday Spectacle, out of 60. Out of 60, yo. Out of 60. Out of 60. That's our first dual of all the Spectra I've opened. This is the first one. We got Trask and Dorton. 2 of 10. Mr. King Klein. Trying to figure out like some of the jersey they used on this. Yeah, 2 of 10. Kyle Trask and Jay Dorton. For the Giants, Kadarius Toney out of 35. Ronald Jones, Tampa Bay, out of 60. For the Jets, Zach Wilson, dual patch, out of 75. Javonte Williams, very nice, Denver, Tartona, RPA to 50. 250. That is it. So we have Michael Parsons, Hunter Long, James White, Elijah Moore RPA, Jets, Javonte Williams RPA, Roger Craig, champion signature, Kyle Trask and Jalen Dorton duel to 10, and Kyle Trask was this to 75. That was pretty solid 2 boxes. Okay. Top 3. I'll post. We have 10 minutes, and I think the only team that's not still, the Rams and jerseys have not paid up. All right, Mark, Mike, and Dave. It's the koala. All right, guys, that's the break. Good job.